Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech and Life. In this video, we are going to discuss about different streams in the IT industry which are for non-computer science students and also for CS students without coding and even less coding. The domains which are going to discuss in this video are high in demand for full-time employee as well as for freelancer. Without any further delay, let's start our video. Properly building a career is not everyone's cup of tea. There will be a lot of struggle behind it, but building the right career with the right opportunities will come with right analysis and research. Every step in building a career is identifying the domain of work based on interest and capability. Choosing the right path will make your journey easier. We are responsible to build our careers. To build it on proper pillars, the only step we need to do is analysis. Proper analysis is the key to success. The analysis will be in different streams. It can be acceptable to everyone or not, doesn't matter. But you need to understand your interest and capability and choose wisely. A proper analysis will give a brighter career path, but every path will not be a cakewalk. It will challenge you in all aspects, and you need to be ready to learn every new thing. For any job, there are 5 steps to be noted and practiced in that way regularly. You need to have a vision. Without vision, there is no point in learning. And the next step is plan. Plan the things that you want to achieve. Get an idea of your progress and replan the things is the third step. And in the fourth step, you need to keep more effort on the tough things to implement efficiently, and ultimately you will get the success in your fifth step. So without any further delay, let's start the journey to know the top 8 career opportunities in the IT industry without or with coding skills. We are moving from 8 to 1 pattern, that means from 8th position to the first position in reverse order. Number 8, designer. It is like designing someone's imaginary world with the tools like Photoshop, After Effects, etc. These tools are highly in demand in the industry, and for this job profile there is no need for coding background required, and only thing required is pencil art with color combination knowledge like you see on the screen. And coming to the seventh one, SAP as ERP. ERP is Enterprise Resource Planning application development using SAP tools will help the organization to build their products efficiently, and career opportunities are high for the person who is good at understanding organization requirements and building ERP applications. You can see different ERP application domain requirements in this circular chart. So we have SAP requirement in finance, inventory, designing, services, human resources, MRP, production, purchasing, CRM, customer resource management, and sales. So we can develop SAP applications for these kind of different domains. That means ERP applications for these kind of domains, nearly 8 popular domains. And coming to the next one, sixth one, testing. The software testing, this domain will be consisting of small part of coding. This needs to be done either as manual or as automated. For manual testing, there is no need of coding, but for automated testing, we need programming languages knowledge like C++, Java, or Python. In recent times, everyone are using Python programming for software testing mechanisms. And coming to the fifth one, IT support. It's a kind of business process outsourcing. You will be working for an organization and supporting their clients in technical glitches and supporting them to solve the issues. It's completely based on talking, writing emails, and clearing issues of the clients politely. And coming to the next one, the fourth one, technical content writing. So this one is completely based on freelancing, because the complete description of your project or product will be explained in the form of documentation. The documentation will be written by a technical content writer. This job type is for freelancers especially. Exclusively for this role, corporate people will not pay much, but a freelancer can get paid more than a full time software employee if you are a perfect content writer, technical content writer, like a blog writing or website, technical website like coding websites, like Tutorial Point, Geeks for Geeks, Java T Point, like this. We have different technical coding related websites and blogs. So if you are good at these kind of technical content writing and designing, then you can get paid more than a full-time software employee. As a freelancer, you can get more than a software employee, regular software full-time software employee. And coming to the next one, the third one, data analytics. So in this data analytics, there are three different types in representing this concept. Data analysis means visualizing and understanding the insights of the data. We can perform data visualization using the tools like Tableau, Power BI, but those two are non-coding paths. If we consider coding, we need to focus on Python libraries like Pandas, Seaborn, Matplotlib, using which we can handle the dataset and visualization. And coming to the second one, graphic designer. So for every movie, for every short film or any kind of a video which you are watching on YouTube or on any platform like OTT platform, they all need some sort of graphic designers. So graphic designer, it's a completely non-coding job, and anyone who is having an interest in animation and game development can choose this domain. The only domain in this entire list is having the highest demand both in full-time roles and freelancer. More than a full-time employee, a person can earn as a freelancer if he chooses graphic designing as the career. And here comes the final number in this list, that is digital marketing. If a company wants to expand its market and open its wings, there is only chance to develop and circulate its organization into a market using marketing. Now it's a digital era. In this digital era, we are having the features of implementing digital marketing which can expand the wings of the organization more and more day by day. So if you observe, we can share our organization details through mobile, social media, through emails, and even we can expand our wings in different streams, onto different domains if you are using digital marketing, like search engine optimization mechanism, page ranking, page hits. Like this, we have different types of mechanisms we can implement on our organization data, so that we can project ourselves on the top bench in the list with our competitors. So these are the 8 domains which we can focus to learn and to implement to get a perfect job in IT industry without any coding knowledge or coding experience. So few of the things are having some sort of coding background requirement, but it's a minimal thing, not like a kind of a full stack developer or a data science developer, machine learning, artificial intelligence developer, like that. It's not like these things are different. So you need to have basic knowledge on understanding the problem statement and implementing the solution regarding the problem statement. So without or with some small coding part, we can get a good job in these 8 fields. So I think this video may helpful for you guys, and if you like this video, please like the video, share the video, and press the bell icon, and subscribe to the channel Tech and Life. And thanks for watching this video. Bye.